great festival. It touches upon theater, arts, performance, singing, and dancing. The purpose of it is to expose children to their culture. A lot of people feel as if they are from a people that were enslaved. However, they have come from a country that is much more rich than what is articulated in the school systems. So we don't really, history is not taught. There's things that are left out in history in school. It's just to remind people to celebrate their past. You know, once you have a connection with your past, you have more connection with your future, right? You're able to see and to project. If you're like an adopted child, they don't feel like they belong to anybody. But once you're able to meet your parents, get in tune with where you're from, whether it's your DNA, what tribe you're from, what language you spoke, you have more of a connection with your spirit and your soul and your mission, your being, your purpose as a person. So that's why this is important to do. A lot of people are able to tell about their family trees, and some of that is left out in history. And this festival is to fill in that gap, that blank area.